Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add arrow bullet points in Microsoft Publisher. So get let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show arrow bullet points. Now select from a text. Now go into the home menu option. Before click. Then click for a bullet option. Now select from a arrow bullets option. That is. Now you can see. Then select from text. Now text form is font size. That is. Now you can see arrow bullet point in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.